Sefer Bamidbar, Pashas Balak, Mi Man Afar Yaakov, Umispar Esrei Yisrael, Daf Samaches Amud Beis, the 6th Shir. All of this concept that we spoke till now about Mispar B'nai Yisrael, that the Yidden come and reach to the level of Mispar, that they bring down the level of the kingdom of Hashem to the world, and through that becomes that the world should exist. That comes from the level of doing the Maaseh Mitzvahs, and specifically from the 4th level, from complete desire to Hashem, and that comes in the physical world, the physical action. And this is the concept of Mispar B'nai Yisrael. Now we're going to, this is all still in the level of Yehuda Tata, the lower level of connection to Hashem, relatively speaking. The level of Yehuda Tata, Yehuda Allah, we'll speak in Mitzvah Hashem at a different time. But through Talmud Torah, we reach to a higher level of connection to Hashem, and that's Mimana Afar Yaakov. Dirt, as we said before, cannot be counted. A piece of sand you can count, but dirt is all one connected. Because through Talmud Torah, which is a desire of the Eibishter, we become completely one, our mind and the mind of Hashem, so to say. And therefore, it's not even the concept of counting. But how does a person reach the level to acquire the light of Torah in the way of complete unity to Hashem? That is to the level of Yaakov. The level of Yaakov, which is the level of Rachamim, in order to awaken tremendous Rachmanos on himself. How is he doing that? By making a setting aside time, a special time, for example, in Chatzeis, in time of davening. Because in time of davening, in Psukim de Zimur, there's Psukim of Rachamim, time to awaken mercy on the Neshama. And that is a time to awaken mercy on the Neshama where it reached to. And this is the Midah of Yaakov, to realize that the Yud, Ekev, to tremendous Rachmanos on the level Yud, Chochmah, that we a Yid comes from the level of the thoughts of the Eibishter, as we explained great length in the beginning, in the first parts. We come from the level of Machshava of the Eibishter. And what happens to this level of Machshava of the Eibishter? He came to this physical world and is in Ekev, is in, so to say, in the hill, in the lowest level in this physical world. And he's being pulled in this physical world, and he has desire in this physical world, and the Neshama wants to be only connected to Hashem, but instead it's pulled to desire, the physical desire, as we explained in the previous Maimon. And from that level, he's pulling from the highest level to the lowest level. To be able to reach to the level of Yechudei Lo. By Yaakov it says that is a Briach HaTichen HaMavrich Min HaKotze LaKotze, is the central piece that connects from the highest level to the lowest level. In the Mishkan, there's 3 poles that was holding the Mishkan. 2, one was on top and one on the bottom, which were external, and there's one which went through, but he was in the middle of the keresh, in the middle of the stick. And it says that he was in a miraculous way that you put from one side, and the stick would go from one wall to next wall and to next wall. It will make like a U-turn. That thick stick, which is solid, it turns and goes from the beginning of the Mishkan to the other side of the Mishkan. Well, the other stick, each one was, for the right side there was one stick, from the left side was another stick, from the other side was another stick. By the middle one was one stick that went all the way through and through. Through the level of awakening Rachmanus and the Nefesh, it reaches to the highest level, to Yechudei Lo, complete connection, complete unity to Hashem. But nevertheless, learning Torah itself is not enough. You have to have Torah and Gemilas Chasadim. Therefore, the Pasuk says both of them. Right after he says, Mimana Afar Yaakov, there's no counting the level of Afar and the level of dirt, so to say, of Yaakov, of learning Torah, especially for Rachmanos, but that still has to be Mispar Esrei Yisrael, connected with complete desire to Hashem and doing the mitzvahs in this physical world. And then together, a Yid connects to the highest level possible.